Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So dito na po tayo sa Benelli, Caloocan. So before we begin this video, let me just have a short shout out to Benelli Ortigas. The first ever Benelli bike that I've ever tested is the Benelli 502C, the cruiser big bike that looks like the Ducati Diavel. This Italian brand motorcycle producers has their affordable bikes and quality made performance. The next shout out is Archway Motorcycles and Benelli Cafe Makati for letting me test drive their newly released Benelli Leoncino Trail 800cc powered big bike that has a 270-degree crankshaft that sounds like a V-twin. Very handsome bike and retro classic design. Last but not the least, Benelli E. Rodriguez. Service parts and maintenance, thank you very much for letting me test ride your Benelli TRK 502X version. And without further ado, let's finally review the Benelli TRK 502 Standard Edition. So this bike is a twin-cylinder powered 500cc air-cooled ABS front and rear adventure big bike. Complete in the package, so this comes with alloy wheels, Pirelli Angel CT tires. So good quality tires for the price point. Here we have its included visor, hand guards, and that box monorack. The seat height of the Benelli TRK is around 800 mm and I am 5 foot and 7 inches. So the ergonomics of this bike is actually perfect for me. Upright position and my handlebars are really high. So yun na po, ready na po ang ating pagte-test drive ngayong araw. So sasabay po atin ang Benelli Imperiale at ang isang escort po dyan. Ayun, shout out sa Benelli staff for accommodating me for this day and it was very well appreciated ang entertainment. So ito na po ang long awaited test ride po natin. Simulan na at parang komportable gamitin. Wow, the sound is amazing. Not your typical two-cylinder engine sound, but it sounds close enough to inline 3s and inline 4. Parang mix lang nun, idol. So ayun po, let's begin our review for this big boy right here na first time ko palang na test ride sa kalsada. At ayan, malakas ang hatak niya. Kahit ganito siya kabigat, I mean, naandun yung power yung low to mid range. Tapos let's talk about comfortability, guys. Dahil ang shock po nito, since upside down fork and monoshock sa likod at sa bigat po niyan ganito, hindi naramdaman lubak. Kahit madaan pa ako sa madalalim na lubak, it feels like it's so sturdy and capable of conquering such terrains and harsh areas. So ito lang po, sabi ko, maganda, komportable rin ang upo ko, ergonomics is good, straight ang likod ko dahil sakitin po ang likod ko. Hindi, joke lang, guys. So ayun, masaya ako sa bike na to. At kung papapiliin man ako na adventure bike, wala na hanapin pa kasi nandito na lahat. Presyo, nasa 379,000. wala na kayong mahanap na ganun kamurang adventure bike na tulad nito. Kompleto po mga package. Maganda ang quality ng bawat parts nito na nakikita ko. Hindi siya tinipid at may kita ko sulit na sulit ang presyo. So that concludes our video for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. But before we end, more montage and shoutouts for you all. Shoutout po sa Benelli, Caloocan. Dinayo ako sa umaga para i-test ride ang malupitan nilang bike. Yan.
Libo ng Binelli, Caloocan po, 10 Avenue. Visit po kayo rito, 10 Avenue po.
Ayun, shoutout po kay sir. Subscribe.
Shoutout din po kayo, sir. Sa Binelli Caloocan.
Thank you po. Thank you po sa pag-testing.
So guys, yung bago nilang brand na helmet. We have Mukem na partnership rin ng Benelli. Ayan. So, kompleto po dito. Ayan. Affordable and quality wise na helmets. Yun. Waiting from Thailand. Shoutout din po kay ma'am. Dito na nag-assist po sa atin.
Yeah.